Is Vizio TV an Android TV? Let's clarify. No, Vizio TVs are not Android TVs. Instead, Vizio smart TVs run on their proprietary operating system called SmartCast. SmartCast offers access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+, and it also supports screen mirroring from your smartphone or other devices. While Android TV provides a more extensive app ecosystem and customization options, Vizio's SmartCast focuses on simplicity and ease of use. Some users may find the interface less versatile compared to Android TV, but it still delivers essential smart functionalities. If you're specifically looking for an Android TV, brands like Sony or TCL might be better options. But Vizio remains a strong contender for affordability and performance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.